Welcome to our episode of a newly built, brand new two-story house. If you're dreaming for a right home, better to take a look to this. The property is 2 minutes only. First, this is a carport, and there's a stair leading to the main door of the house. This property has a total lot size of 360 square meter. The total floor area is 140 square meter with 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets and bath. This is the kitchen area. Right here is a common toilet for visitors. And beside this, the 1 bedroom with balcony, glass windows, and cabinet. Okay, let's go upstairs. Here, you have a balcony with the amazing sea view. And yes, you get to enjoy mornings with your family here. Nice, right? Oh, this is the common bathroom with LED touchscreen mirror. And this is the other bedroom here in 2nd floor, which you also have access to the balcony. So let's check the master's bedroom. It's a glass door. With built-in cabinets. You also have your own bathroom with hot and cold shower and with LED touchscreen mirror. Imagine coming home or waking up every day to see this view. How perfect it would be to create everlasting memories with your loved ones.